Efficiency starts with clarity. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about process mapping to help your team see and build the future of your operations. First, let's answer the fundamental question: what is process mapping? Process mapping is the visual representation of work processes, showing how a task is completed from start to finish. Think of it as a blueprint for your business. It identifies every step, decision point, and stakeholder in a workflow, making it easier to uncover opportunities for improvement. Now that we know what it is, let's explore the benefits of process mapping for your organization. The benefits of process mapping include increased transparency and the ability to eliminate bottlenecks. It also helps you standardize workflows for consistency and makes onboarding new team members much faster. Not all processes are the same, so there are common types of process maps you should know to best fit your needs. You might use a standard flowchart for simple steps, or a swim lane diagram to show departmental responsibilities. For deeper analysis, value stream maps help track the flow of information. To read these maps, you need to understand the visual language. Let's break down the standard process mapping symbols used in the industry. Ovals represent your start or end points, while rectangles are for specific tasks. When you see a diamond, that's a decision point, where the path might split. Mapping is a team sport. Here are the best practices for collaborative process mapping sessions using Lucid. The best practices for collaborative process mapping sessions involve inviting all stakeholders to your document. Use features like cursor chat and comments to ensure everyone's perspective is captured. Ready to start? Follow this step-by-step tutorial: how to build a process map in Lucidchart. First, define the process and its boundaries. Next, list the steps involved. Then, sequence the steps using standard symbols. Finally, review the map with your team for accuracy. Once your map is complete, you can share it with a link or export it. Lucid works where you do. You're ready to bring clarity to your workflows. Start building your next process map for free at lucid.co today.